Guys, in this video I have 7 must-have accessories for your DJI Mini SE. So we're going to go through these in order of importance. So first of all, we have our case made by the company Skyreat. And I'm going to try and put a link in the description to all these products. But this case was in the neighborhood of around $15. DJI makes a case and it's like $40 plus, but this is a small hardcover soft fabric, but fits the DJI Mini SE perfectly. You have your form for your remote controller, and it's carved out nicely for the DJI Mini SE, fits in perfectly, and you get room for all your cables and spare batteries up here. So that's made by Skyreat, and I put this first on the list because you need to protect your drone, and this is just great to carry. I can just leave it in my car wherever I go. Great portable size, great for traveling. Next on the list is our landing pad for drones, made by the company PGYTECH. And with the DJI Mini SE, it sits very low to the ground, and if you take it to a park and try to take off without a landing pad or takeoff pad, whatever you want to call it, the grass blades might get stuck in your motors. So you need a landing pad. It's reversible. You got blue on that side. Flip it over. A bright orange, which I like to use. And then it just folds right up. And coming in at number 3 in the list, we have Signal Booster Combo Kit. And this is for the DJI Mini SE or Mavic 2 Pro Air Mini and Spark series, made by the company Start RC. Now this is a combination of 2 different types of signal boosters. You got your parabolic reflectors here, and then you have your Yagi style signal booster. And you can use these separately or combine the 2, but they just slide right over the antenna here. So this is what they look like together, the Yagi style signal booster paired with the parabolic signal booster. They can be used together. So at number 4 on our list, we have a remote controller cable. And I noticed that the remote controller cable that comes with the DJI Mini SE is rather a snug fit from my iPhone to the port here. And this cable that we'll put in the description is just a tiny bit longer, and the cable is more flexible and durable. So I put this at number 4 of a must-have accessory for your DJI Mini SE. And next we have propeller holders. Now our DJI Mini SE, when it's folded up, the propellers are just like hanging there and can move around in your case. So on the top and the bottom. So these are little propeller holders. I haven't even opened it yet. So these are designed to go right over the motors. Simply snap right on, and they'll hold the propellers in place on the top. And the bottom. Next we have remote control CNC extended joysticks. They even come with a little keychain holder you can put them in. This is what they look like. And they just screw right in. And they replace the plastic joysticks that came with your DJI remote. And they really do have a better feel than the plastic ones that came with your remote. And perhaps you're wondering, like I was, will my case still shut with these new extended remote controller knobs? And the answer is yes. It sure does. And last on our list is landing gear for your DJI Mini SE. Now this isn't really a must-have item, but if you're going to fly at night, yeah, you'll need some lights. So this is landing gear, light combination. That's what it looks like. And it just snaps in place on the bottom of our DJI Mini SE. And you have your switch right here. Color matches perfect. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So that concludes our video of 7 must-have items for your DJI Mini SE. Thanks guys for watching.